Leopards have a clever hunting strategy, and that possess are determined by accuracy of tracking, stalking, and attacking and knocking down the opponent. Today, the target that leopards are aiming for is the antelope. To watch these classic battles, please watch this video to the end. Leopards attack and eat antelopes. Leopards are predators with a refined and extremely attractive style. Of the 4 largest species in the cat family, the tiger, lion, jaguar, and leopard, although the leopard has the lowest strength or stats, it ranks first in the terms of predation. The reason is because the leopard is a species with extremely intelligent and extremely effective hunting tactics. They usually hunt at dusk or after dusk when it is completely dark, like dawn. A successful hunting of leopards is determined by the accuracy of the process of tracking, stalking, and striking down the prey. When the leopard catches the prey, it will finish it by biting the throat to make it lose blood and suffocate to death. To do that, leopards are favored by God for their agility and the ability to climb well. At a healthy age, a leopard can run more than 60 km per hour, leap more than 6 meters horizontally, and jump 3 meters high, or make a splash from swooping down on a prey from a tree branch. In addition, it can also hide in an amazing camouflage. Thus, thanks to all these outstanding qualities, leopards become scary hunting of many other animals. Here are the classic matches of leopards. Please look forward to it. The leopard catches an impala. It is known that the impala is a valuable food source for the leopards. In impala there are some interesting features that make it possible to evade enemies. Specifically, an impala has the ability to jump up to 10 meters, and as a result, they use this technique to escape from predators. Besides, the ability to bounce up to 3 meters high also makes impalas overcome bushes or other obstacles. Normally, while running, it can jump over anything in its path. Adults can weigh more than 70 kilograms and be about 1.2 meters tall, not counting their long twisted horns. In particular, the long and curved horn is the impala's most powerful weapon, but sometimes it also hinders it in finding a way to escape. In return, they are naturally endowed with speed and agility, considered the most agile herbivores on the African grasslands. Accordingly, some individuals can accelerate up to approximately 100 km per hour or run at 48 km per hour for many hours. Could the impala escape the enemy? The most anticipated thing will be revealed after a few seconds. The video begins with an image of a leopard hiding to stalk its prey. Next, it remained attentively observing the enemy, combined with gentle strides, approaching the impala's position, and on the other side, the impala was still grass feeding. Well, maybe because the leopard is in a fairly close place, or because of the hard work of foraging, the impala doesn't seem to detect the appearance of the opponent. Aiming at the prey carefully, the leopard unleashes a blow, moving quickly too close to the impala. Although it has a speed of up to 100 km per hour, but when it is attacked by surprise, it does not have time to react. And after a while of struggling, combined with a bite of the opponent's neck, the leopard defeated the opponent. At the end of the video, when it does drag its prey to the safe place to fully enjoy its delicious meal. Leopard hunts and impala cubs. It's also a war between leopards and impalas. But under different circumstances, can the outcome be reserved? Let's go. The video above was recorded at Sabi Sand Game Reserve in South Africa. In a short time, the leopard approached the prey. But strangely, it does not quickly destroy its prey. They play with each other. The impala looks for the opportunity to escape, but it is pulled back by the leopard. Surely, you have also noticed that in this video, the impala child is much worse off than the leopard. Thus, we can see in this case, the losing end still belongs to the impala. One minute. Two minutes. After playing bored with the opponent, with its sharp teeth, the leopard used to bite the neck of the impala and pulled it up on a tall tree to enjoy. The leopard truly deserves the title of being the animal with the highest predation rate in the cat family. Leopards attack the impala from a high tree. In this third war, was it like between the two leopards and the impala? Hide carefully on a tall tree to observe their prey. But also, because not paying attention to everything around, the impala did not realize his life was in danger. It was still attentively gnawing on each blade of grass. Oh no, it's scary. It's lightning fast that the leopard has pounced on its prey. Perhaps with a 3-meter high jump and highlighting from the dives to the prey from the tall tree, it is extremely easy to approach the opponent with the leopard. Also use the familiar trick of defeating the enemy is to bite its neck to take its life, maintaining the movement until the impala suffocated to death. Not letting go of the prey, leopards find a safe place to enjoy the impala. And how does the final battle between the two rivals of the leopard and the antelope take place? Let's follow it right away. Apparently, leopards starved for a long time. They immediately went looking for food. And lucky for him, right now, an antelope was caught in its sights. Not being detected by the prey, the leopards moved secretly behind a thick green grass to observe the opponent's movements. And at this point, many people must have predicted the outcome of this war, right? Waiting for the right situation, leopards immediately launched accurate blows. to enjoy it. Thus, we can see that in the cases of the leopards, after defeating their prey, they have a habit of looking for a secluded place to enjoy their delicious meals. And a common feature in the above battles is that the victory belongs to leopards, further confirming their notorious hunting power. How did you guys see our video today? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to support our next videos. Goodbye and see you again.